Birds, symbols of freedom, natural beauty, and ecological balance. But did you know that many rare bird species around the world are on the brink of extinction? In today's video, we'll explore these extraordinary birds, the reasons they're endangered, and the efforts being made to save them. Let's begin. The hornbill, a cultural symbol in many Southeast Asian countries, stands out with its large, vibrant beak. Unfortunately, deforestation, illegal hunting, and habitat loss have caused a sharp decline in their population. The Spix's macaw, made famous by the movie Rio, was once extinct in the wild. Today, fewer than 200 individuals exist in conservation programs, threatened by deforestation and illegal wildlife trade. The black-faced spoonbill is one of the rarest water birds in the world, with only about 4,000 individuals left. Urbanization and pollution have devastated their wetland habitats.
A top predator of the forest, the eagle's hunting range can cover up to 40 square miles.
The main threats pushing these bird species to the brink of extinction include: 1. Habitat loss, deforestation, urbanization, and land exploitation destroy their homes and food sources. 2. Pollution, plastic waste, chemicals, and water contamination directly harm birds' health and reproduction. 3. Illegal hunting and trade. The demand for birds as pets, food, and decorations has driven many species to the edge of extinction. 'Fortunately, many organizations worldwide are working to save these rare birds. WWF and BirdLife International, developing conservation areas and restoring habitats. Captive breeding programs, increasing population numbers and reintroducing birds into the wild. Community education, raising awareness about the importance of protecting bird species. These rare birds are not just natural heritage but also symbols of life and hope. Let's join hands to protect them, not only for their sake but for the balance of our planet. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it to spread the message. See you in the next video.